why we talk about all African games here. I'm repping.
European life, European life, European life.
Volunteers! Energy!
Warm-up tennis court, and this is where the competition court will be. So you will have a total of more than 18 to 20 countries who are participating in tennis, and tennis is starting on the 15th to 22nd of March. So on 3rd of March, the badminton court will be arranged and everything starts from here. A total of 9 courts will be mounted here for badminton. And then on the 12th, volleyball would also continue. So you can be able to have the 2 sports participating here. We are all welcome to the Aquatic Center, which is hosting swimming, an Olympic qualifier for the African Games. So what it means is that you are going to see more top stars attending the swimming competition. So whenever you have an Olympic qualifier, what it means is that because it is towards Paris 2024, you have high-ranked athletes who would come. If you don't come, what it means is that you have lost critical points, which you can go against you per the qualification criteria. Now, behind you is a 10-lane aquatic competition pool, and then you have a training pool just by that side, also a 10-lane swimming training pool. As you can see, the dashboards are there, so everything is fixed and ready for the competition. The water has been enhanced, and it's already been lined for what you need to see. Omega installed all the time bounds that you see there. So basically, it's an international federation standard that is meeting that requirement. So across the whole of the continent, a lot of swimmers will be participating. As you know, during African Games, swimming is one of the many events that happen for that particular sport. So aquatics, and then swimming. So basically, this is where we are for this particular facility.
Yes. First of all, during Ghana Olympic Committee and Ghana by editing all African Games, the big things I can happen. Remember, I say you say the tournament banner you must hear things the resources, especially development of the sporting facilities. I say but I think we know Abuama kind. The main Mushimwa, Abuabuan originally not at this tournament in 2020. But then I'm saying many of our boys who are the African Olympic Committee, facilities are minimum share whatever I say things about 4 major sports in now we can name no money na FE I got some finishing touches and I'm hoping there you be any na it me winter because we share a senior no the environment now there's a lot to be done with respect to finishing. And my dream is the idea is good. Along the line, I'm told that the contractors will abandon the project and left. It's the reason I'm a catch. It's me messing up when you force a green or money. And when you force a crown on the map, one way. Name of the Aquatic in the some budget tournament who's still again young girl. I'll train one year, depending on the bill. Until baby Ed museum to me bridge. Until your best video you or the condition facilities which we are getting into competition. Unfortunately for us, our neighbors, commercial how we say boosting the African nations. Until we are now in the balance also the Bible as a country, I think see it to me my own.
So final double now to say this a crime ben I lose official of the mom. I'm thinking that's a final year but what's your see and I will talk
there's some level of road construction because some people still but road accessibility is very important. We didn't talk about your telecommunication, your internet and all those things. In this area, I'm not too sure. So internet is so accessibility to this area. Things that say frequency has it. Mama, yes, our passes in India from vantage points to see here, Accra Sports Stadium. Maybe it's a circle, and maybe a chamber camera there. It's a circle combined for cover. And this is now say I'm going to some funny sick and fucker. Now, we are athletes and the big money no matter from the word go, for us as Ghanaians, it is football which is our passion. These games will be played, it doesn't entice people so much. And to say I'm making frantic effort, and we are not attendance, I usually affected. Another thing, publicity. Now, I think say you may any great publicity. First of all, and let media already. My dream say I did Kenya and maybe not for the Abasubakaya, who can be mobilizing media men from the mind, Sudan, Cape Coast, Accra, almost everywhere. I may have media. I've been promising central for the my dream say as media men, we also have to be patriotic. Now in time, no, you give people to make it. I'm for something for become more television advert, visibility in town, and all that. They will have to work seriously towards it. Into the
Give it us.